Welcome back to our course and to our section about metrics. There is more that we can find out about visit stats using visitor analytics. If we go to statistics, visitors, traffic charts, we can see timelines of visits and visitors per hour, per day, and per month. You can select a longer time reference here, like 12 months, if you want to compare visits by month. That way, you know when your audience is more active and you can post new content during that time, increasing the chance that they see it. In my example, looks like Wednesdays and Thursdays are the most popular days in the past week. Also, we have several time slots that are popular. 9 a.m. is the most popular time, but notice that a lot of people also visited the site late at night. This is most likely because many of our users are in a different time zone, so those hours are actually office hours in the US, where some of the visitors to our website definitely come from. So use this information wisely and post at the best time for you and your audience.